So what was your biggest concern about it? You said spots on the ceiling or something?
Well, yeah. I mean, just mainly the ones up here. If you could, I don't know. But yeah, and I guess my floors.
Oh yeah, definitely. Oh yeah, I see like the little headliner spots.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you. How long you had this vehicle?
Well, it's like my dad's old car, so
Okay.
he's had it like I think for like 10 years now. So I don't think it's like I used to keep up in like vacuuming and stuff, but I don't
Yeah.
think it's ever had a deep clean like for like at least 8 years, I think.
Okay, got you.
Yeah, so it's but and then yeah, I took out all the change I could, but some of it is like stuck in there.
Got you. Yeah, we probably used the steamer to get a lot of things. All right, let's see how this junk look. Damn. Whole lot of dirty water. All right, check that bad boy out. Outside. Total difference. Tire shine hitting. And we come into the interior. Check that floor out. And it smells good. Oh, I don't want to leave these microfibers in here. Nice and shampooed. Come on now. Let's do it, man. Yes, sir. All right, now we got to put all the mats and stuff in.